Dear guests, here we are in the bathroom today. It's just in case you have no hot water anymore. So there's a problem with the water heater that you can see here. First of all, you may check that it is still plugged in the roof, sorry, and make sure that the window is closed. Okay, so now you will find under the mirror a lighter that you can see here. Okay, very good. Take it. Thank you. And then you will see there's no flame inside. So we're going to move this little device here up to the cross, across here, and then you'll see you can push it, stay pushed, and use the lighter to get the flame. All right, now you have the flame. You have to stay a little bit longer so the device can be warmed up a little, and you can try then to just push it back to the right slowly, gently, and then now hot water is back. Thank you.